Which one of the numbers in the list 1, 3, 5, 7, 9, 11, 13 should be removed so that the average of the remaining numbers is 8? So, if we add all these up together, 1 plus 3, 4 plus 5, 9 plus 7 plus 9 plus 11 plus 13 gives us 49. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 numbers. So right now the average is 7. Since 49 divided by 7 is 7. If we want to remove 1 so that the average is 8, we remove a number to give us 6, and we want our average to be 8. So if we multiply this, we need a total of 48. Right now, we have a total of 49. So if we subtract 1 from the total, this means that the average of the remaining numbers would be 8. Therefore, the answer is C.